This is our Splash Series platform weighing scale, which is designed and manufactured to weigh all heavy and larger objects in the hygienic and washable environments. It can be also used in the industries where the environment is corrosive. This model comes in two variants, with stainless steel LCD indicator and another with LED indicator. Fully stainless steel 304 grade assembly with splash-proof protection and with waterproof connectors, along with rubber O-ring protection in the indicator for tight sealing. It has adjustable legs. It also has rubber block supports on the top frame for pan fitment. In this model, the load cell is provided with stainless steel load cell protection cover. This has the back rail which helps to assist the objects being weighed, and the pole which has the steady holder to mount the indicator. This model is available in various platform sizes and capacities. The silicone keypads offers a precise soft touch feel. The adjustable U-bracket of the weighing indicator helps to set the adjustable viewing angles. The indicator in the Splash Series platform scale is having check weighing function and check counting function. Also, it has additional features like accumulation, peak hold, and weight data transmission to computer through RS-232. This scale can be used in the applications where washing is required, and also in the corrosive environments. The power supply to the indicator is facilitated with adapter with a waterproof connector. It has a lithium-ion battery for more backup time. This scale can be used in fisheries and seafood markets, food processing industries, pharmaceutical industries, chemical industries, and in the industries wherever washable applications are there.